Here, I'll show you how to change the left turn signal on a Ford Fiesta MK5 2021. That's it, that's the model. So, we turn on the ignition, test one side, if it's okay, we test the other side, and then we see the indicator blinks faster. That means that side is faulty. As we've seen, this is the driver's side, not the passenger's, and we're going to start looking for the screws. So we have two screws here, Torx 30, and there's one more hidden behind the bumper. That one is also Torx 30. Of course, we need to find a parti screw for this. We'll be using the standard ones. While there are specialized tools for this, we're going to stick with the classic Torx 30 screws. Then we'll gently pull back the plastic cover and carefully remove the part that leads to the radiator. And we're going to unscrew this screw, or you'll find that it comes out quite easily. The most important thing is to just get it started, and because it's actually embedded in plastic, after that initial turn, we can simply unscrew the rest of the screw by hand. It's really not complicated at all. After that, we'll move to those two screws up there, which will easily unscrew even with a power drill. As you can see, it's very easy. It's not complicated at all. And then we can start taking off the headlight. There's a small part at the bottom near the bumper that needs to be bent a bit around the plastic, but once that's passed, then the rest of the headlight comes out without any problem. On the back, there's a clip that needs to be unfastened. That's where the power goes, which we disconnect. And that's it for the headlight. To get it completely free, we're changing this bulb here, which is located in the turn signal. It's really easy to access. We turn it by a full 90 degrees, and then we can carefully pull out the light bulb that has been causing us all of these problems. Before we actually go ahead and mount this, I always like to spray some contact cleaner just to make absolutely sure that we don't get any oxidation. This isn't exactly a brand new car, so we really need to pay close attention to these kinds of things, and we should. To make sure we do the absolute maximum now, so we don't have to remove it later because of some oxidation or other problems, we put the bulb back, we push it back into its socket. Normally, we shouldn't have to think about whether we've reached that point or not because it simply has to be that way, and we just turn it back, rotate it 90 degrees, and it's securely attached. We take the jack and attach the headlight to put everything back in its place. We slowly put the headlight back. We must first insert those plastic components which go beneath these metallic chassis sections, and then we carefully pull the plastic trim attached near the bumper so that all of it aligns perfectly. That particular step is, we could say, the most intricate part of the entire process. In order to avoid having to completely remove the bumper, we simply pull it out slightly and then return everything to its proper position. Once we, let's say, see that it's standing firmly, that it's not shifting too much anywhere, then we grab the screws and put everything back in place. Securing it to be sturdy, I started here with the power drill. You can begin with the power screwdriver or just the screw itself, it really doesn't matter. It has already been properly mounted. Following this step, you might want to take it for headlight beam adjustment because it has been shifted. However, if you observe that it doesn't cause any problems for you and the light beam remains exactly the same, then there's no need to. As I mentioned, this particular screw down here, it's, I'd say, a little bit tricky to get to properly grab hold of, but because of that, we first tighten it by hand as much as we possibly can, since it's designed to screw directly into plastic. And then, after that, we just give it a final snug with a wrench, only as much as is truly necessary. Once we've finished that section, then we'll put all the plastic back in place. We have that specific piece of plastic that we removed from in front of the radiator, which is located directly underneath the lever used for lifting the hood. Once we put that particular piece back, then we're all set. There's nothing to it. It's not complicated at all. We just need to give that screw a little more tightening because it's a bit, shall we say, awkward to get a good grip on and secure it properly. Once we put it back, as I mentioned, let's return the plastic cover to its place. There are still 3 clips that need to be aligned and fitted into position, and then we're all done.